TikTok has revolutionized how dance challenges go viral, turning short clips into global phenomena. Let's break down their journey from social media trends to mainstream culture. Right? First of all, the birth of TikTok dance trends. It all started with creators choreographing to catchy songs, right? Remember Renegade? You can type right here, Renegade. 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 Right? Remember that Renegade? That's the OG that set the stage. Next, the accessibility drives popularity, right? TikTok's short format and easy to learn moves made challenges irresistible to everyone, from teens to grandparents. Next, the celebrities joined the fun, right? You have many celebrities when stars like Jennifer Lopez and Jason Derulo joined challenges. You can type right here, for example, Lopez, right? Or Jason Derulo joined challenges. They boosted visibility, making them even more mainstream, right? And these dances transitioned to TV, music videos, and even live performance. Challenges like Savage, right? Savage, or Say No, right? Became cultural staples, right? And companies jumped like right away on the trend, using viral dances to market products and connect with younger audiences. Smart move, huh? TikTok dances aren't just fun, they've changed how we engage with music, marketing, and even communicate with each other. So, what's your all time favorite TikTok trend or dance? Let me know below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.